Here's how to request an e-signature in Google Docs. Launch Google Docs and open the document you want to have signed. I'm going to import my PDF into Google Drive and then open it with Google Docs. Now that the document is open, click on Insert in the top menu. Select eSignature, then Request eSignature. The eSignature sidebar will appear on the right. In the sidebar, click on Add Signer. You can add up to 10 signers per document. For each signer, drag and drop the required fields into the document. Once all fields are placed, click Request Signature at the bottom of the sidebar. Enter the email address of each signer. Enter an optional message to the signers. Click Send. You'll receive email notifications as each signer completes their part, and the signed document will be saved in your Google Drive. Here's the email received by the person whose signature you requested, and how it looks for them to sign it. And then here's the email, once they have signed it, for the next signatory, which is me here. And then here is the completed document, which is now available for download as a PDF.